Hi, this is Barbara Template, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually share your design or present your design. So I'm sharing my screen right now. I'm sure all of you know how to download your design, but how to share it. So let's open some design. Okay, I'm gonna open this one. And what are your options? So if you want to share your design, you always go here to the share button. Yeah, here usually what we do, we go to download button and you download it as an image, PNG or JPG, PDF, video or SVG or GIF. But if you just want to share it, so you go to share, and here you've got some options. First option is share a link to edit. Yeah. Second one is to use as a template, and third one is to view. So what does it mean? When you use the link to edit, when you share this link, so whoever opens the link, he can edit your templates. He can change, delete, whatever he likes. Yeah. If you share it as a template, so it means that person can use whatever you've created, change, work on it, but it won't change the original. So for example, when I am creating some templates for Instagram or ebooks or Valentine cards, I always use this link, use as a template. So I've got the original and I use the link use as a template. Whatever purchases my templates gets this link, and he can work with these templates or without influencing or without changing the original. Okay, and then there's share a link to view. So for example, if this is a presentation and I want someone just to see this presentation, I don't want to download the presentation. I just want to send a link to see the presentation. So I use share a link to view. So let's try. How does that work? Okay. Okay, I haven't copied. So to view and copy link. Okay, let's do that once again. Okay, there we go. Okay, so as you can see, this is what the person sees, like what you've got in your file. Yeah, he just sees it. That's the link for view. Okay, so these are the main options. What you can do, you can also share it with your team. Yeah, over here. And once somebody sees it, for example, when you share it with somebody for edit or for a view, you can see over here who seen your project. Another thing how you can share is when you go here with 3 dots. And over here, as you can see, you can schedule to post in Canva. You can share the link, so get the link for this post. And you can present and record or only present. Yeah, present and record, only present. Here are the social medias where you can copy to clipboard, email, and you can share it to your Google Drive, Dropbox, all different medias. You can share it even to emailing agents like MailChimp, Slack. You can share it on your website. You can or share it on different types of applications which are connected to Canva. Okay, so it's over here. Yeah, 3 dots, and when you click there, you can see present. When you share as a present, you've got also some options. You've got standard option, autoplay, present review, and present and record. This is great, for example, for presentations, worksheets, something that's longer. So standard, when you advance at your own pace, autoplay, the presentation or any of your designs is autoplayed. Present review, this is you can use this one when you for example, doing some presentation, so you can add your own notes there, and you can see what are the upcoming slides. I will show you more of these when I will talk about presentations. And you can also present and record at the same time. Yeah, there's also, when it comes to recording, when you go to upload, you can record yourself. Yeah, so you can do a voiceover, or you can record yourself on camera, which you can use in your designs. Yeah, when you're explaining something, again, for example, teachers, or if you want to explain, for example, some company values or the methodology or the steps how you did it, yeah, you can just make video, and then you can record yourself over here and do the voiceover, or you can record yourself and so you'll be seen here, and at the background will be a video of what you're doing. Yeah, plenty of options what you can do. So these are the main ways, or how to share and present any of your design which you have made in Canva. Okay, so share, and just with this share, always be careful which link you sending to people, because as I mentioned, when you share a link to edit and people click on it and they go into a design, they can edit anything, so they can delete it, for example, by mistake. Yeah, so usually what people use is a share link to view and template when you want someone to use your design, but you don't want them to change or edit the original of the design. So that's all for today, and I'll see you next time in next video about Canva. Bye bye.